Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I am planning to go to Sarojini Market today after years and years, and yeah. So I'm making sure that I'm wearing my comfortable flat shoes because बहुत चलना पड़ता है and heels में तो it's not possible. और दोस्तों हम लोग आ चुके हैं धूप में. And we are going to Sarojini Market, जो कि मैं लाइक सेकंड टाइम जा रही हूँ. और राहुल फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहे थे. I was just trying to capture this stuffed white tiger in this car which was there, and we just seen the movie a couple of nights ago. That is what a subconscious mind does to you. Otherwise, I wouldn't have even noticed the white tiger. Here we are, finally Sarojini. And we are still waiting for the parking. क्या लगता है तुम्हें कितने देर में हमें पार्किंग मिलेगी? हाँ? हाफ एन आवर? तो वापस चले क्या?
वापस भी नहीं जा सकते, पीछे भी गाड़ी है।
Oops. हम लोग आते हैं शॉपिंग करके, ठीक है? यहीं पे रहोगे तब तक लगता है.
अगर तुम उसके लिए तैयार होते तो मैं गाड़ी वहीं लगा लेता.
शॉपिंग करके आते लोग 15 मिनट्स में हो जाएगा.
जब जल्दी करते.
So we finally left my husband to park the car and went for shopping, and yeah, before touching anything we made sure all our hands were sanitized properly. And there were these nice colorful tops, full sleeves tops according to the weather, which they were being sold for 100 rupees. So this was a nice counter. The nice household crockery, glass things, pretty teacups, and yeah.
कितने का है भैया?
200.
क्या कितने में दे रहे हो?
200.
अच्छा पसंद तो करना.
एक ही दाम.
कम कर देंगे ना?
कम करोगे ना?
नहीं,
क्यों?
कम नहीं करेंगे.
मालिक कमाल है.
तो पीछे एक ज़ारा का ड्रेस हम लोग छोड़ के आए हैं. ज़ारा वुमेन का.
कहाँ पे लोग पट पाते हैं वो देखती हूँ आगे 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 सब चलते रहिए हमारे साथ.
Place was super crowded that day. There was no place to walk. Everyone was just, और social distancing की तो मैंडी बज गई थी. Here we have nice full sleeves t-shirts again for casual wear, and almost I think every color was there that day. And then these hairbands, fancy hairbands and clips and whatnot, the hair tiaras. But this guy was just not bargaining, so we didn't buy anything from there. And nice kurtas for work, simple plain cotton mix, semi-cotton kurtas were there.
पार्किंग में कितना टाइम लगा?
हो गया सब.
पार्किंग में कितना टाइम लगा?
हाँ, 1 घंटा.
बार्गेन नहीं किया हम लोग. फिर से बोलो.
अब गाड़ी में बैठे 1 घंटा घर से गाड़ी चला के आए, 1 घंटा पार्किंग की है और 1 घंटा पे निकालेंगे ये नौटंकी के लिए.
लीजिए ना कुछ अब तो लेना पड़ेगा. अरे अब हम लोग सरोजनी से निकल के तिलक नगर आ गए हैं, जेल रोड वाले साइड, because there are lots of eateries on the roads over here which are nice, tasty, cheap stuff to have. And we are starving. बहुत भूख लगी थी सबको. तो यहाँ पे है शॉर्मा कुरकुरे एंड आई थिंक कबाब कुरकुरे.
मस्त यार मैंने
Reviews? food was really the chili paneer was not so great, but the rest of the things over here was really nice. Pizza was also not so bad. The creamy chicken lollipop actually took the cake. It was very different, but it just, oof, it was very tasty.
Knew something different.
मैं ये खाने तो स्पेशली वापस जाऊंगी इस जगह पे, the creamy chicken lollipop.
It's different, it's new. Exactly what you said. But it's not bad. It's fine.
I never said bad.
Now we finally come back home. Hi guys, so yesterday we had gone to Sarojini market and today I'm going to show you the things which we bought from there. The first thing is this red and white checkered top with these bell peplum sleeves, and it's a full neck covered thing, so you can wear it with jeans and skirts however you wish, and you can wear it when winters are retrieving. And the quality is pretty good too. It's pretty thick, it's not a flimsy top, it's nice, and it has green, red, white, black, yellow, everything in it. You can wear it with mustard pants, red pants. It looked really smart. And this was just for $100, so I think it was a pretty decent buy. Yeah, worth the money. And the next thing is, yeah, so the next thing is this black velvety shiny top, and yeah, it has a little bit of glitter all over it, and it is full sleeve, so you can wear it if you go out for partying with your friends or college friends or work people. So basically it's a formal top. If you're going out for some fancy dinner, fancy party, you can wear this, or a cocktail thing. And this again was just for $100.
I believe it, guys.
Yeah, you could not believe it. So yeah, this was a steal, just 100 rupees. And iska wo look hai pura threads udhde hue. It is giving a very old and a nice look, both at the same time. So yeah, this is good. And the third thing is this, yeah. So this is the blue sweater which we bought. This is a turtleneck sweater. It's completely woolen. It is not cotton, not polyester. It is completely woolen. It is turtleneck. It is full sleeves, and it has this really smart shoulder straps with these nice metal buttons on it. So yeah, this is again a winter wear, or people like me who feel cold all over the year. You can wear it, even in summers if you're going in some air conditioned place. This is really comfortable for traveling in trains, flights, whatever. Isme koi jhanjat nahi. This again was just for 100 rupees, and yeah, this also is
you
a
can
very
also
nice
negotiate
buy.
there.
Of course we can negotiate, but yeah. So but जैसे आपने वीडियो में देखा, कल तो वहाँ पे मेला लगा हुआ था पूरा बुरी तरह से. And the next thing is, yeah, so this kurta. Now this is a summer thing which we bought, but वो इतना अच्छा था कि we end up buying it. This is a long pink dress kurta with just a bronze golden lace at the end of it, and it's sleeveless. It has these block prints all over it, and it is crushed. You can wear it for Holi, Rakhi. You can team it up with these oxidized chunky earrings. It will look really ethnic and nice, and it is crushed. Like तो इसको तो ठीक से रखने का झंझट ही नहीं है. You have to keep it crushed. And yeah, this was nice. And the next thing is jeans. This is a torn look jeans, something college kids wear, or rather everyone wears nowadays. This was also a nice buy. This is a stretchable jeans.
And I'm gonna tell you the price.
This was just for 200, guys. Just for 200. Sarojini Toya is famous for these kind of things. It's pretty decent quality. It's not bad at all. So yeah, देखो ये कब तक चलता है. So we bought 2 jeans. This again is a stretchable one. This is a little shade darker than the previous one. ये फटा फुटा नहीं है. ये normal denims है, जैसे they are supposed to be. And yeah. What else? Again we bought this. This is the best buy of the day. This was the best buy of the day. So this is a pink peachish cotton kurta with this lovely white embroidery on the top and at the sleeves. See, the thread work is so nice and summery. You can team it up with jeans or plazos or white trousers. You can wear it to work, to office. It looks really comfortable and the cloth is cotton. This is like completely cotton, so it is a summer dress and the color is also very summery. So this was the best buy of the day yesterday. Now the next is, now this is a basket which we bought to keep toiletries, towels, home stuff, you know. So it's a pretty black and white basket. Now this was for 200. He didn't reduce on this one. He did not negotiate. Ye thoda mehenga tha, but it's fine. And last but not the least, the most important buy actually are these masks. So ये हमें पड़ा 40 rupees में 4 masks. All prints and everything. You can इसको mix and match करके you can wear it. It was colorful, so there was black and white. कुछ cartoon वाले masks भी थे. So yeah, be careful guys, be safe, and yeah, this was the Sarojini haul for this time. Now bye bye. Thank you for watching guys. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.